Hi, everybody, and welcome to our next topic, which is pattern matching. You guys have come a long way, right? We've talked about trend prediction, proactive cap detection, anomaly detection, state icons. Well, today I want to turn you into a pattern matching master. That is the goal. Okay, what is pattern matching all about? Well, with pattern matching, you open a trend graph and you select part of it that you think is interesting. Then you give that part a name and you hit the check mark. Now, the next time that data miner sees this behavior happening again, it will let you know. That's pattern matching. Now, here we're showing this on just one parameter, but you can also define patterns on multiple parameters at the same time. For example, a backup operation can be characterized by a spike in CPU, followed by a drop in free disk space because, well, the backup has to be saved on disk. So you can configure a backup operation pattern that is triggered whenever the CPU spikes and the free disk space drops just a moment after that. Okay, so that is the idea. Now, why would you use pattern matching? Well, what's in it for you, right? Why would you use it? Well, there are various reasons why you would use it. For me, the main reason is that you can detect issues that are very hard to detect using alarm templates. For example, assume that you had a cooling problem. So you had an increase in temperature, but the fan speed didn't increase around the same time. That's an issue. Now, using pattern matching, you can just select that behavior, and the next time it happens, you will get a warning. But how would you configure this kind of behavior with an alarm template? That's very difficult, right? Because you kind of need an alarm if the fan speed just stays as it was. And that's very difficult to alarm, right? A similar thing happens with interference. Here you observe a drop in carrier to noise ratio while the RF input level remains constant. Again, this is very difficult to configure using alarm templates, but it's super easy using pattern matching. A second reason why you would like to use pattern matching is because it can provide you with very human interpretable labels. For example, here, there's a snippet of the patterns that are on the Zine system. And you see that apparently there's been a reboot of a switch on this device. That's very human readable. It's nice to have it this way and not have like, okay, there's been a critical high on this parameter. Because in the end, what does that mean, that critical high? It's very nice if you can add human interpretable labels to problems because it helps you and your colleagues. Okay, so those are the main reasons why I would use pattern matching. Now, in the next video, we're going to give you plenty of examples and I'm going to show you how it works. You can easily follow along on your own system if you have downloaded the accompanying package from the catalog. Now, remember, in order to create a pattern, you have to select part of the trend graph. On my system, this is done by right-clicking and then dragging the mouse. But it's possible that on your system, the settings are slightly different. So before following along, maybe check your settings in Cube under Trending Graph Actions and see how you should select the custom time range on your system. All right, so let's dive into my favorite part, demos. See you in the next video.